Hello, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm trying a 3-ingredient cookie recipe that I'm going to turn into a 4-ingredient cookie recipe because I feel like taking it up a notch. There are 2 reasons that I'm doing this today. One is I've got a banana that looks like this, and I need to do something with it before we have a fruit fly problem on our hands. No one wants that. And the second reason is after my last video with my last project, I don't want to do anything overly complicated. So hopefully this doesn't end up being overly complicated. Anyway, let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is tell you what I'm using today. Today, obviously, I've got this super gross looking banana, some oatmeal or oats or whatever. I've got some powdered peanut butter. You don't need this. You don't need this. You could also use whatever you want to add in. I'm gonna link below the recipe that I used to follow, and the 2 ingredients that they say that you need are bananas and oats, and then the third one is a mix-in, and they give you options. But I'm using some PB Fit peanut butter powder, and also I'm gonna use some coconut flakes because I want to. I don't know if peanut butter and coconut go together. We'll find out. I also have measuring cups, a bowl, an oven, and a cookie sheet down below that I didn't take out. You'll see it later, I promise. All right, so the recipe that I have linked below calls for 2 bananas, but I only have 1 banana, so I'm just gonna have all of the rest of the ingredients. So first things first, I'm gonna take my gross banana and I'm gonna open it. Now I'm putting it in the bowl, and I'm gonna mash it with a fork. That looks good. Next I'm gonna take my oats. I'm going to take a 1/2 cup of oats. Oh wow, that's a great hair. Look at him, he's just doing his own thing. Anyway, I'm gonna take a 1/2 cup of oats. This is 1/3 cup because I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. And I'm gonna mix that. Whoops. Now I'm gonna take my add-ins, and I'm just gonna how rude. I'm just gonna eyeball the amount. All right, that doesn't look like any cookie dough I've ever seen, but whatever. Now I'm gonna take this cookie sheet and I'm gonna grease it. Next, I'm just gonna take some globs of my mixture and just kind of glob it on. Don't really know what size these globs should be. All right, now I'm gonna put those in the oven for 15 minutes. Yeah, I don't know why I said that like I had more to say. All right, so some time has passed. It's been more than 15 minutes, but I did take them out after 15 minutes. They're right here. Here's one, let's see, that's the back of it. There's the front. It's kind of squishy. Quite squishy, actually. Let's give it a shot. That's one of the most bland things I've ever tasted in my life. I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna eat all of it, or all of those, but definitely could have used some chocolate chips, or like a lot of sugar. It's like a whisper of banana bread. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or like, or both. Both would be great. And also, if you liked this video in my kitchen, or you liked my hair in a bun, check out my other cooking video, because I'm also wearing a bun in that video too. So, also, if you want me to do a project, you have an idea, let me know in the comments below. So thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. If I see ya.